Hello guys, welcome back again. This is Mr. Tech. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to chat with different languages in your WhatsApp. For this, you don't need to download any extra application. I am going to show you very easy and simple step. So let's get started. So first of all, open your WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, open the keyboard and here you can see semicolon symbol. Just hold on it and drop in these settings, and after dropping you can see this type of interface. Just tap on Android keyboard settings and here just tap on import languages. So first of all, uncheck the use system language. After uncheck this option, you can see the language is available in the above section. So if you have your Android OS have above KitKat version, you can see more languages available here. So if you want to change the keyboard language, so just you can see more languages was available here. For example, I want to set Hindi as well as English. I want to use two languages in my keyboard. If you want to use only one language, so just check this only one language option. So I am checking the two options, first Hindi and second is English. After doing this, just go to your WhatsApp, press back button and here just go to your WhatsApp, and here you can see in the right side of semicolon symbol you can see world icon. You can see your language was not totally changed. Yeah, you can now enjoy your suitable language. So friends, for this you don't need to download any extra application, so you don't need to do any extra hard work. So just this is very easy and simple steps to do this. So that's it for today guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Till you have not subscribed Mr. Tech, so please subscribe Mr. Tech for daily updates. Thank you.